somebody to go pick up some protein, they pick up the cheapest bullshit in the world. That's what happened here. Hi friends, acne update. Look at my skin. I feel like we're doing so good. I told y'all I've been on a mix of tretinoin, azelaic acid, mandelic acid, and niacinamide for about 2 weeks now. I was prescribed it through Honeydew. They make it so easy. I had a really good experience. And my skin is clearing, guys. Like, seriously, these are my remaining dark spots. So taking my spironolactane. I'm back to completely no dairy right now. I do think it just like on breakouts. And I want a completely clear face. So yeah, where we're at. So yeah. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment or DM me. If you don't know what hormonal acne is or just need help in any way or want to know what skincare I'm using with my products, I can always let y'all know. Yeah, having adult acne sucks, and I feel so, I didn't even realize how much it was affecting my confidence, and now that I'm myself in the mirror a little differently, I'm like my features again instead of like I was on top of them. So it just feels good. So don't suffer, because for a while I was just suffering. Just opening my True package. Brown and nude seams. How stinking cute. Sweat. Freaking love their sweats. Oh my gosh, I love that. Right across the front. I love pants that have stuff right across the front like this. I have none. Or no, I did have a pair. Oh, wow. I might wear these to the airport. I think this is a pair of Barrel jeans. I've never even tried on a pair of Barrel jeans. They're cute wash though. Ooh, they're soft. Oh shit. No, legit Yosemite Sam's were. But they're like a purplish wash. Do y'all see this? It's like a purplish. They have the coolest washes of jeans. I'm sorry, if you're like a jean girl, and I am, they have like the, like if you have like undertones and shit. Oh my god, this wash is incredible. It's so cool. This is a mid-rise Barrel. These tend to be my favorite. I believe the Jessie Super Baggies, guys. Some of them, because they're boot cuts, y'all. And their low-rise flare are also another one. Oh wait, they just sent me another pair of these. No, I just have two. I don't mind, because I think these might be, these are a bit smaller pair than the other one I have, which is perfect because I fluctuate. I love these jeans. These are one of my favorite pairs. Ooh, it's a bomber. True Religion. Oh, it's a very interesting material. It feels kind of like leather, but it looks like denim. I can't even describe it. But it's cool. Just True Religion with cherries. I freaking love their sweatpants. They just make your body look good for some reason. I think they're more like on the low-waisted side. And then let's see if there's a hoodie or a zip up. Ooh, it's a zip up. And I love that their hoodies have the nice thick seam. Anyways. Oh, this one's cute. True Religion with the cherries on the back. Oh, that's super cute. I don't know, there's something about this one like for the airport. I feel like I would stick out. Bought a pair of I don't know how to pronounce these. Havaianas. Look how tiny. Never do I realize how small my feet are until I buy a pair of flip-flops and realize that like these are children's. But yeah, I just needed a pair of the black Havaianas. These are like $7 on Amazon. If you were curious. They're way cheaper on Amazon. But I think I also caught a sale maybe. What else? I also got these iconic Amazon boots. Needed. And they're the heel is so tiny on these. Like so tiny. No, we can't. Delete that. That was rolling dice. This is my hair before, and I'll see y'all after. My hair, it's actually so straight. Stupid straight. But I used the new Chi Turbo Lava Dryer, which I really like. Those little turbo dryers, literally I just pulled out my old dryer, which I love the diffuser on it because the diffuser on it is huge, but I'm like immediately to the backup because it's just like the speed alone. This thing is high power, but it was burning the mess out of it. I was like, bro, this thing is, it doesn't even get to 300 degrees. And it was burning. That's how concentrated the heat is. Anyways, I also fell back in love with the 44 Iron Guard. Or maybe I never had this and only used the Chi Silk Infusion. This is really good if you have fine hair and you like movement. Like, all I care about is like that. I need movement. Like, and sometimes you can overdo it and apply too much, and I feel like this is one of those where you can't go too crazy, but you also can, if that makes sense. I'm really happy with how my hair turned out. This took a lot longer than I thought though. Filming took long, but I think they'll be really happy with it. I also still need to come up with another concept to film tomorrow for them. And it'll probably be more like a hairstyle, like a holiday hairstyle. So probably spend some time on my computer, figure out that, as well as trying on some outfits real quick. I don't want to. I'm gonna take a quick break because honestly, I've been on my feet. I don't know how hairstylists do it. I've been on my feet for 6 hours. My ankles hurt. I was like, you know when you're in your house, you don't realize you're doing anything, and then all of a sudden your ankles hurt, my back is hurting, and I'm like, I've been laboring in my home. I didn't even freaking realize. One thing off my checklist. I was like 77. Morning, friends. Here we go. It's a final stretch. I feel good. I had good sleep last night. Really good sleep. I'm just in a good vibe. I think we can do it. I think we can pull this shit off. I will not be a stress ball about it either. But first, well, a few things have already happened. I've gotten up and I had coffee. That's it. So now I'm gonna take some of my like morning supplements and update y'all on that for a second because I'm about to try something. Y'all know me, I'm so skeptical. I don't believe in anything, I swear. We gonna see. And my face does not lie, so here we go. This came through. This is the Array Clear Protein Plus and a re-up. I've already broken into these. I re-upped on the tone. Even everybody and their mom, bro, I can't tell you how many Reddits I've been in and like Reddit threads, all these little muscle people telling me, just get the, you don't need that one. But I'm like, but this one really doesn't, I have not bloated. People talk about it like so bad, creatine making you bloat, and I'm a bloater. I just feel like I can't take the risk. Like, and these are completely different texture. Remember last time I was taking these, the texture, these were booty, really bad, hard and weird. These are completely different. These are actually gummy, but these have less flavor. It's so weird. They're inconsistent. I get them off of TikTok Shop. So sometimes I feel like that has something to do with it because I've gotten, this is not the only brand that I've had issues with gummies coming to me inconsistently. Black Girl, their vitamins, like vitamin D, will also be inconsistent. Like if it's not a capsule, I think shipping gummies has not been perfected. And I don't want to be too hard on them because I live in Texas and it's still like 90 degrees most days besides today. So I don't know what happened, but just know we all might be tasting a few different variations of the same thing, if that makes sense. It tastes weird. Anyways, I'm about to take them. I don't know why I put them back in. What the hell? Anyways, I take 3 now. It comes with 60. But they're just big as shit. At the end of the day, they're just big as shit. That's why I don't like gummies. Like my magnesium gummies. I don't know why I'm doing rant about gummies, but the only gummies I really like work a lot faster than these. These are big as shit. And they're chewy as hell, and they're covered in some coating that is so thick. I hate those. Oh, Destiny, I show you all these vitamins because I take them. I take them every fucking day when I remember. But I'm never gonna be like, I don't. It works. You know what I mean? All I can say is this shit works. It's not enjoyable. Let me show you because I know we've all been there. It's some ass. This is when you ever asked somebody to go pick up some protein, they put you the cheapest bullshit in the world. That's what happened here. I tried it and it foamed up in that really gross way that like I couldn't deal with. And it's more important than like, I'll go eat a steak. Deadass. I got up and I was like, we have meat at home. I'm gonna find me some protein. Anyways, let's try this because I do prefer, when it comes to my collagen and all that stuff, I do prefer a thin drink. Thick shakes and I'm not doing that every day. For an everyday thing, this is supposed to be more manageable, but I'm nervous because this is huge. I'm sorry. This is huge, and I'm not even sure if this is enough water. I don't know. We're gonna see though. It has electrolytes in it, which I'm into. That's why. But I hope this can replace my Gatorade habit because I don't like Gatorade. I drink it because it has electrolytes, and it's Gatorade Zero. Oh, it smells good. It's supposed to be like raspberry yuzu, so it's like raspberry lemon vibes. Watching it fall. It's supposed to dissolve really fast. No shaker needed. I kind of believe them. I'm gonna shake it. Ooh, did you smell it though? Oh, I smell the protein in it though. I smell it. Ah. Don't be gross. I'm begging you to not be gross. Let me stir it. Oh my, this might not be enough water. It's getting there. It's just this shit at the top. It's like cotton candy vibes. I've just never seen anything like it. I think it's good enough to try though, because like now it's quite blended. I gotta try it. Even though it's still, you see it's a little frothy at the top. I'm just gonna try and filter it. My lips. Here we go. It's not bad. I don't know if I can do this every day. The taste is just weird. There is a cotton candiness to it. Oh my god. It's not bad. It is like, texturally I like it. It's just like I might need to add, this is usually how I feel about things like this. I have to add something. And it might be as simple as just ice and lemon. I think like real lemon squeezed in here might just be perfect. I'm just trying to place it in my day. When am I gonna want this? Because right now it feels too sweet to have this so early. So maybe this is something, because I've been working on the afternoon, maybe after my workout. I mean, it makes sense, but it's like, am I gonna want something that tastes like this? This tastes, I'm on my last leg of it. This tastes good as hell. This shit is like, you could put this on top of a snow cone. That's how good it is. But it does dry up all crusty and weird. That's a tablespoon of it. I have 1 tablespoon left. It's looking like a tequila sunrise, but it's a protein in collagen sunrise. I like this better because it's more familiar. So that's what I'll do. I'll switch up greens and my liquid collagen, or I'll do protein and liquid collagen. But I'm taking bigger gulps, and that's the thing, like, I don't finish drinks fast enough. So I need, you know what I mean? Like if I'm not drinking it fast from the get-go, I'm probably never gonna get there. But 15 grams of grass-fed protein, electrolytes, and 0 sugar. I think some people who are into protein are gonna be like, whoa! You're gonna fuck with it heavy. And then us other people with like taste buds and like, cringe texture, weird sensory issues, we can make it work way easier than vanilla chocolate type of weirdo shit. Anyways, it's time to get on with the day. Finish this. I actually want to finish this up my desk because I started on my makeup. I got to film 4 collab videos today, and it'll be a good day. And we're gonna pack. And we're gonna finalize our outfits, and we're gonna be ready for our 6 a.m. flight tomorrow. We're doing it all. I was gonna film, but actually I really want to wash my extensions. I'm a bit of a stickler when it comes to my hair and how it smells and how it looks and all the things. And these are really good. You gotta keep them up. They just start to, it's not even how they look, it's how they hold a curl, it's how the ends get, like you just have to wash them. So I'm gonna do that now. And you're supposed to not blow dry your clip-ins. So I'm gonna try and give them some time to air dry. But I'm also not gonna put them in my bag wet. So I'll blow dry if I need to. That's when I'm gonna do it now. And then I'll sit down and finish my filming for the day. And I'm not stressed. You are.
Love their new day. 눈부신 저 햇살. 모든 밤 지나 찬란하게 빛나. I've been feeling down all night. You tell me it's alright. It's alright, alright, alright.
Alright, friends. That shouldn't have tickled me so much. But I am tickled pink. I just had to show y'all this blush before I take it off. I'm doing blush swatches, and like, these blushes are so good. The finish of them, they're like perfect matte. It's my first time ever trying the ones that come with like a doe foot applicator, like those super cute ones. But they're from Time Euphoria, and my everyday one. This is a little more of that pink bake look. That's why swatch videos are really hard for me to do, because they look so, when something looks really good on, it's hard for me to take it off. And I just don't like taking off my makeup, parts of my makeup. I feel like it's like weird. But you would never know that I've put on, I don't even know how many different blushes, 5 different blushes already, because I used my favorite, I'm sorry, this. When in doubt, Face Bond, best foundation. Like one of the best foundations. Like, don't sleep. Siri, pause. Stop exposing me. Hey Siri, pause. Like, do you mind? Like, something about hitting that corner. It's like she don't want to listen to me. Anyways, first outfit option I am toying with. It's pink. I'll show you the full thing in the mirror. There's 3 versions of this outfit, so just bear with me. But this is going to be the outfit that we wear to the airport tomorrow morning. So this is the outfit. It's the cherries one I showed y'all earlier in the vlog. This is what they look like on. If you've never tried on the True Legit, like they're flare, sorry, they're so long. So if you're tall, like don't worry, girl. Plenty of material. So they're super low-waisted. You can wear them as low as you want, because like, they're a very forgiving, thick band. You don't get muffin top if you get the right size. And I'll put all my sizes on my shop line, so y'all will know. Because they send me all sorts of sizes, because I told the girl, I was like, I fluctuate. Send me 3 different, I could be all sorts of things, especially like all these different rises and stuff. So they're very kind and send me a lot of different sizes. So that is why they will be listed, because each one is different. But the top is always cropped Not all of their sets, but this one is for the most part. The ones that I like to pick are cropped because I think they just look so cute. One thing about this is for the airport, this one doesn't have pockets. Keep that in mind. And that's why I'm like, let me just try on all the ones that I have and see what makes the most sense. Or all the ones I have that I haven't worn yet and take a photo in yet. This might be the one because I mean, it's stinking cute. And then two, it has pockets, back pockets that my phone will fit in, and for travel purposes, I mean, that's just everything. Let's just see. Because I think, and the length on these are a little bit better. You see, the length on these are way better. I could put on a big chunky sneaker and not be dragging as bad as the other ones. I think this is a yes. Oh my god, the front pocket is real too? Stop it. Okay, these are perfect. This is the perfect one. Forgot about the tank tops that I got from Amazon. This is a black one, but this black is not very black in comparison to this black. This is definitely a true black, and even in comparison to, they look kind of irritated actually. Do you see? It's like black. This is cute. It's just not black. So much time has passed. I've been looking for this pair of jeans. Anyways, let's try on the boots with it. And between the black and the gray, we will see, because sometimes they look weird because they're so high that you'll see them under the jean. How stinking cool. What do we think? I like this actually. Now that I'm looking down, it is so visually pleasing to me. The light wash with the light boot and the gray. Love this. Now, jacket. Okay, you know, just going out, chill, cool. I think I found a really cute outfit. I'm not gonna show you. I want some of the outfits to be a surprise. I think the rest of the outfits are gonna be a surprise actually, because it's getting dark and I need to focus, but we're almost done. Doing well. I will of course have everything linked that you guys did already see, and all the outfits you will see. I don't know if I'm gonna split this vlog up or not yet, but we'll see how far we get into this. But I'm going to try and finish up quickly because I'm getting hungry, and that's never a good sign. What's happening?